Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll explain how to use function keys on your HP OmniBook 7 Flip. The function keys are in the top row of the keyboard and have both primary and secondary functions. To switch between modes, use the combination of left shift and FN button. When the LED indicator glows on the top right of the FN button, you're using primary functions. If it's off, you're using secondary functions by default, though this can be changed in BIOS. Generally, primary functions are the same across laptops. F1 opens help in most applications, F5 refreshes the page, F11 enters full screen mode, and F2 opens developer tools in browsers. With secondary functions, F1 opens projection menu, F2 opens emoji menu, F3 decreases brightness, F4 increases brightness, F5 toggles keyboard backlight, F6 mutes speakers, F7 decreases volume, F8 increases volume, and F9 mutes or unmutes the microphone. The speaker and microphone buttons have LED indicators showing when they're muted. F10 plays or pauses media, F11 opens pre-installed software like HP Support Assistant, which is customizable, and F12 takes a rectangular screenshot. The delete and insert functions share one button, and the power button is not a function key. That's pretty much how you use your function keys. Thanks for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.